Hello everyone. The Dabo Green Tea and Avocado Nourishing Cream is a luxurious skincare product designed to deeply hydrate, nourish, and rejuvenate your skin. Enriched with the antioxidant properties of green tea and the moisturizing benefits of avocado, this cream provides a refreshing boost to your daily skincare routine. Ideal for all skin types, it helps improve skin texture, reduce dryness, and promote a healthy, radiant glow. Provides deep hydration, leaving skin soft and smooth. Protects skin from environmental stress with powerful antioxidants. Improve skin elasticity and texture for a youthful appearance. Reduce dryness and flakiness, making it suitable for all seasons. Cleanse your face thoroughly and pat it dry. Take a small amount of the cream and apply it evenly to your face and neck. Gently massage in upward circular motions until fully absorbed. Use daily morning and night for best result.